In this guide, I will show you how to stop automatic Zelle payments in Chase. First, open the Chase mobile app on your device if you haven't already. Sign into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pay and Transfer section of the app. This is where you'll find options related to payment and transfers. In the Pay and Transfer section, look for the option labeled Bill Pay and Zelle. Tap on it to proceed. Within the Bill Pay Zelle section, locate the next scheduled Zelle payment that you want to stop, and tap on the payment to view its details. After selecting the scheduled payment, you'll see various options related to managing it. Look for the option to manage the payment and tap on it. You should find the option to stop the automatic Zelle payment. Tap on this option to proceed, and Chase may ask you to confirm your decision to stop automatic payment. Review the details carefully and confirm if prompt. Once confirmed, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the automatic Zelle payment has been successfully stopped. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.